Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with permissions and the right context, operator or cheats enabled. Once done, confirm the player name and game version because command syntax changes across updates. Open chat or a command block, then type the first actionable command. For modern versions use, /effect give player Minecraft night vision 600 0. This grants night vision for 600 seconds. Make sure to replace player with your exact username. That avoids permission or targeting errors. Once you have the base command, you can adjust duration and automation. Use the second parameter for seconds. For example, 600 equals 10 minutes. The amplifier value is ignored for night vision, but you still include it as 0 to be explicit. If you want persistent effect, place the command in a repeating command block set to always active, or add it to a function that runs at player login. Make sure to test timing and server lag. Repeaters may need fine-tuning. To finish, verify the effect is applied and stable. If you need to remove it, run /effect clear player Minecraft night vision. If the command doesn't work, check your permissions first, then ensure you use the exact username and version-appropriate syntax. Make sure command blocks are enabled on the server and that repeating blocks have redstone or are set to always active. One key troubleshooting tip. Mismatch in version syntax is the most common issue. Update the command.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.